Hola beauties, let's create this easy breezy makeup look. And to start with, I will be taking this Farsali Skin Tune Blur, which acts as a perfecting primer serum. Just press it all into your skin and we are ready for the next step with the MAC Stroke Cream, applying it all over the areas where I need that shine. So here I have this Benefits Pore Professional Primer and I will be applying or pressing it all over the areas where I have the open pores. Now starting with the color correction, because as the age proceeds we get those dark spots all over our skin, so clearing up all the hyperpigmentation and the dark spots with the help of the orange corrector. Here I am using the MAC one, and now in order to dim that color of the orange, I am just pressing a little bit of loose powder, setting it out with little bit of loose powder, not using too much. Now we are ready for the foundation application, and here I have tried a little different method where I am using the F80 Flat Kabuki Sigma brush. I wanted to see if it gives the same finish as the Beauty Blender. So I'm just pressing, not dragging the foundation all over my skin. And to give it that further finish, I'm just topping it up with the help of this Beauty Blender, which is damp. Now using this concealer, which is exact my skin tone, I will be concealing my under eyes and all the pigmentations which I really want to conceal. The concealer that I'm using is Fit Me Concealer in the shade 36 Golden. I'm using the same damp Beauty Blender which I used to apply my foundation. Now I'm using another concealer which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I am applying it all over the areas as you can see in the video, which I really want to be highlighted. And this concealer is from Sugar Cosmetics. So using the same Beauty Blender, I will be blending it out so that I can bring light and attention to these areas. Kindly observe the movement of my Beauty Blender. I'm not dragging the product anywhere. I'm just pressing it into my skin, and it's not sure that you will be able to press it just in a single stroke. It takes time to bring finish on the skin. The older the skin, the more finish you require, the more blending on the skin is required, and as per me, the Beauty Blenders are better for my skin type as compared to the brushes. But yes, I have developed a taste for the brushes also, so I'm trying them. So now using my most favorite Hoola Benefits bronzer and trying to bring the bronzing effect on my face, the contouring, natural looking contouring. This really chisels up the face further. When you are doing the contouring on the nose area, make sure that you connect your lines with the eyebrows. So here if you have the bigger forehead, so you can accordingly adjust the contouring area. Always make sure that you are pressing in the upward direction. You are stroking in the upward direction while doing it on the cheeks, as it really helps to lift up the face. Now lightly pressing up everything where I had used the concealer. So I have stopped applying too much of powder under my eyes, as I was getting a lot of creasing under the eyes. So I'm just pressing them very lightly over all the areas where I have fine lines, and rest of the areas I can set with the help of a little more powder. So here I am starting with the eyebrows, and I am in love with this pure soap kind of eyebrows. And here you can see that I've taken the brush and I have just stroked them all in the upward direction. Now I will be filling up all the gaps which are there in the hair with the help of any eyebrow pencil. But as you know, my absolute love is the Benefits pencil, the goof proof one. And the day I have started doing these soap brows, my life has become so easy, as brows don't seem to be a task for me. So you can see how easily I'm able to do them, and it has even reduced my time as well. So give it a try at least once. Time to rub any excess powder which I had applied on my face, but be very gentle, because you may not be removing any layers which you have put on your face, like a foundation or of concealer. So be very gentle, take your time, and just remove all the excess powder. Now let's apply the blusher, and this is from Faces Canada, and you may use any brush, any fluffier brush to do that. And I will be doing it just on the area above where I have contoured. Now using this absolute favorite Beauty Glazed Color Board palette, and I'm using the same technique which I used in the last video with the help of a spoon. It really helps to highlight the makeup, as well as it's a very quick task. You know, when you have a family function, you don't have too much of time to devote on yourself. So here you can see I'm just filling up any of the glitter shade in between these lines. Just press it, and for the glitter shade I have used the Huda Beauty palette. And here you can see how I'm pressing this. You may use a silver according to the dress which you are wearing. I was wearing a green, so now I am taking this neon shade from the Vampire Beauty stack, and I'm just putting it on the inner corner. Instead of any white or any glitter over there, I'm just highlighting my inner corner with the help of a neon shade, and then with the help of the Sephora highlighter, I'm highlighting under the brows. Now the time for the Big Bang Benefits mascara, which is again totally loved and recommended by me. I just love it. And filling up my waterline with the help of the white pencil, and doing my lower lashes as well. Not doing too much of the lower lashes, as it's going to be a day function. As I have done minimal on my eyes, so I will be using a bold color on my lips, and I will be using this Preview lipstick. I was sent these lippers in PR by the brand, and I am in love with them. I don't leave a chance to apply them on my lips. The finish and the look has really come out well, and it really complements the dress. Hope you even try that. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.